Kalahandi district in Odisha, known for its cultural heritage, has recently gained international attention for its banana exports, marking a historical moment as bananas were exported to Dubai for the first time. This success has energized local farmers and created new job opportunities for youth previously seeking work in other states. From local fields to global markets, Kalahandi's banana journey. The Indravati Reservoir, often called the lifeline of Kalahandi, has long been a blessing for paddy growers. But now it's proving to be equally beneficial for banana farmers. Villages like Jampada in Kalampur block are witnessing a shift as many farmers are turning to banana cultivation with renewed enthusiasm. The export to Dubai involves the G9 variety of bananas, a high-yield cultivar known for its export potential. This development is being seen as a turning point for the region's agri-based economy, employment generation for local youth. The banana boom is not just enriching farmers, it's creating local jobs too. With more plantations popping up, the demand for agricultural labor has surged, reducing the need for youth to migrate. Sitakant Bimal, a worker employed at farmer Shivanand Sahu's banana plantation, shared, "Earlier, we had to go out of the state for work, but now we are earning a living by working in banana farms here in our village. We also receive our wages on time, which is a big relief." The farmers behind this success. The farmers like Smriti Ranjan Mund, Nilamani Lahajal, Narayan Sahu and Shivanand Sahu from Karjala, Junagadh block and Jampara, Kalampur block are leading the change. With support from the Horticulture Department and Trilokeshwar Farm Producer Company Limited, they have been able to source high-quality banana plants and technical assistance. This collaboration has enabled them to grow bananas suitable for export, with their produce now gaining popularity beyond Indian borders. Tons shipped to Dubai, a major milestone. In a significant move, Palladium, a company engaged in agri-exports, purchased 12 tons of G9 bananas from local farmers. The produce was loaded onto a truck and sent to Bhubaneswar, from where it will be shipped to Dubai. This marks Kalahandi's first international banana export and has created a wave of excitement among farmers across Junagadh, Kalampur and Jayapatna blocks, who are now cultivating G9 bananas across 150 acres of land. Voices from the fields. Shivanand Sahu, one of the key farmers from Jampada, shared, "Earlier, he used to grow paddy, but after learning about the benefits of banana farming, I switched to it. Today, I cultivate bananas on 6 acres of land and employ 6 to 7 workers daily. Some of my bananas are sold in local markets, but most of are now exported. It's a proud moment for us." The role of Trilokeshwar FPC organizing 500 farmers. Sharat Chandra Mund, director of Trilokeshwar Farm Producer Company Limited, spoke about the long-term vision. "Our region is highly suitable for banana farming. With proper techniques, farmers can earn 8 to 10 times more profit. We formed up FPO, Farmer Producer Organization, with 500 farmers, and together we have successfully created a model that not only supports local consumption but is now ready for state, national and international markets." What does this mean for the future? Empowerment of rural communities through stable income sources, reduce migration due to job creation at the village level, boost in regional exports from Odisha, greater recognition of Kalahandi's agri potential, encouragement for crop diversification. What's next? With this successful export to Dubai, the Kalahandi banana has taken its first step onto the global stage. If sustained properly, this could be a game changer for the region, transforming it from a district known for challenges to one celebrated for agri-innovation and export excellence. So, is Kalahandi's banana the next big thing in India's agri-export landscape? The answer might just be yes, one shipment at a time.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.